Hello everyone, I'm going to make it pasta today. We have to boil the water first and I'm going to add the pasta. It's for 2 person. It's 2 serving. And we're going to add some salt inside and boil it for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, pasta is cooked. Now we have to remove pasta from water. Let it cool down a little bit and we're gonna go cook some vegetables. Add some oil, let it heat little bit and then add some frozen vegetables. And you can add garlic and jalapeno. Let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add pasta. And today I'm going to use red sauce and white sauce, both together. Some days you can make it white, some days you can make it red. But today I'm going to make it both together. It tastes amazing. The red sauce and white cheese sauce. As per your taste, you can add more jalapeno and more salt. And you can add more cheese on top of that, or you can add more Italian seasoning as per your taste. And pasta is ready to serve. You can use pasta in the lunch, you can use for dinner, and it's quick recipe. We can make it red sauce, white sauce at home also, but today I use the ready one. Pasta is ready.